Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to the online class, children. Geography, class 9. Today is a continuation of the last session. In the last session, we have learned about the India and the world and contribution of sea routes and contribution of sea routes. And today we are going to cover the topics such as India, states and union territories, India's neighbors and fact about India. How many states do we have, children, at present? We have 28 states. We have 28 states. Then what about the union territories? Let's see. So here is a list of the union territories with its capital. We will see one by one. Andaman and Nicobar Island, Port Blair is the capital. Chandigarh is the capital. Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, the capital is Daman. Delhi, the New Delhi is the capital. Lakshadweep, for Lakshadweep we have Kavarati, the Kavarati is the capital of Lakshadweep. Puducherry is the capital. And Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh is a new union territory, children. So it has been formed by the Reorganization Act passed by the Parliament on 5th and 6th of August. But it came into effect as on 31st October 2020. Okay. So the Jammu and Kashmir state has bifurcates into two union territories such as the Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. For Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar is the capital and Ladakh, Leh is the capital. Okay. And here is we are going to see about the India's neighbor, children. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So India's neighbor, just listen here, children. So we have Nepal, Bhutan and the China in the north side. Okay. So we have Nepal, Bhutan and China in the north side of India. And we have Bangladesh and Myanmar in the eastern side. And Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest side. And even we have the island neighbors too. So we have the southern island neighbors and they are known as the Sri Lanka and the Maldives. So Maldives are situated south of the Lakshadweep island. Okay. So we have the southern island neighbors too and they are the Sri Lanka and the Maldives. Okay. And Sri Lanka is separated from the from India by the narrow channel. It is called the Park Strait and the Gulf of Mena. Okay, so Sri Lanka is separated from India by the Park Strait. Okay, so this is what about the India's neighbor, children. So we have Nepal, Bhutan, China in the north side and Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east side. And we have Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest direction. And even we have the southern island neighbors and they are known as Sri Lanka and the Maldives. Okay. And here we are going to see the facts about India. So during the pre-partition period, the India has two types of states. That is princely states and the provinces state. Okay. So princely states means it is directly under the control of the local rulers of India. Okay. And then the provinces state. So provinces states means it was directly under the control of the British officials and who were appointed by the viceroy. Okay. And here is a pink shaded part are known as the princely states and that were under the control of the local rulers. And the sandal shaded place, that is known as provinces state. It was under the control of the British officials. Okay. So here is the important fact about India and this is the Indira point. So this we called as the Indira point. Okay. So this is known as the southernmost point of the Indian subcontinent, Indra Point, but unfortunately it was submerged under the sea water in the tsunami 2004. Okay. So the southernmost point of the Indra Point was submerged by the sea water in tsunami 2004. So here, this is a picture. The snap is about the Suez Canal, and it was opened in the year 1869. Children. So after the Suez Canal opened, no. So the India's distance from the Europe has been reduced by 7,000 kilometer. Okay. So this is what about the Suez Canal and about the India's fact. Okay. So today we learnt about the India states and its union territories with capital and the neighboring countries of India and then the facts about India. Thank you, children.